Sebentar ban ai kerensan ye ki kena pule baki nangla ban peni ialah kisap ki phong kham tamru hakaban kentiu ki haki kamel kai sport nakaliang ki board penia school jong ka St Paul Higher Secondary School kala pelong ya ka inter house annual sport meet arja ka khandai ka ba arsngi kenti hakaba ya kanek annual sport meet la penhap perdana mta sngi hapo ka NSCA mini stadium Paham Sim ya kanek kelempung ila kai sport lawan ban pli perda ban ai mensim da ka kong RM Kurba deputy commissioner kum ka kongsan hakajing don langru ka sister Rejema Dekhar principal ka St Paul Higher Secondary School lembar kiwe kino hikai jong kaneka school lasaki ya kajing kop la kai sport ba per hakaba las dangru ya kaneka sport meet da kajing ya ka match pass hakaba ki khna school ki bala mikmat na red house blue house yellow house ba green house kilai simenta ban perburu ya kajing bam smai ki khna school ban butik ya ki kendon ya kai sport nalor ka match pass lasaki ru ya kajing simenta ka bachirham jong ki khna school hakijing ya kop akamare ya ka shispa meter race arspa meter race bat sauspa meter race ka relay race ka shot put long jump high jump bat kiwe La samru iki kusnam sekinong job hakijeng kop per.
All of you. I sincerely thank the chairperson who's chairing this program this morning, the inaugural session. I thank Sister Dekhar, who is the principal of St. Paul School, Father August, who's here with us, Sister Lucy, who's also here with us, to witness the opening ceremony of this annual sports day. I believe we have 2 days of sports day and I wish all of you all the best. I am deeply touched and to see all of you here so disciplined, so neat and extremely happy, and it has indeed been an honor to witness such a beautiful march past this morning. I thank the teachers who has been, guiding you in your practice. I believe we had a very short practice time. I really appreciate the teachers as well as the students, because in the few days that you have with you, you've been able to perform such a wonderful, such a disciplined march past. I really appreciate each one of you for your time and your strength. I also would like to show my sincere thanks to the participants who are going to take part in this annual sports. You see, being a part, not necessarily that each one of us will be winner, but taking part in itself is indeed, courage, which you have shown, which you will show in the next 2 days. And as a school, the word team should be displayed, whether you belong to the different houses or as a school as a whole, you are a team. And to me, a team is necessary in success of life, because whether it's in school or in personal life, team means teamwork. E means evaluation. When you evaluate yourself, your strong point and your weak point, each one of us have these points. You look into yourself and find out where you are strong and where you're weak. And where you're strong, you try to improve, and where you're weak, you have to concentrate more on it to build up your strength. A, for all of you, you need to have certain goals. We need to achieve the goals of our life. Each one are born in this world with a purpose. So each one of you should know your purpose and work hard to achieve your goals. And M, of course, as children, each one of you should manage your time properly. Because without managing your time properly, you will not reach your goals and you will not be able to succeed in life. I will not delay my speech. I just want to wish each one of you the best, and all of you should perform well and take care of yourself, love yourself, know yourself, and it is you yourself who knows yourself better. You take care, and I wish all the best to the Institute. We have always been associated with St. Paul in various kind of programs, and I thank the teachers, the staff, the students, and the parents. They are not here today, but they should also be given the gratitude for having you all in the school. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best, and I declare the sports open.